ito bang flood control anomalies? I think there were 4 elements to cover up the anomalous flood control projects. Number 1 is scapegoat. They try to all blame of Saldico in order to shield, to hide mastermind. Number 2 is trolls. They are now using trolls to discredit even the testimony executed by Gotesa, the witness, the whistleblowers, connecting the dots of Saldico and Romualdez. Now, number 3, Gotesa. They tried to discredit the credibility of Gotesa by accusing of his executed affidavit was fake accordingly. Number 4 is deflection or diversionary. Deflecting by floating other issues that will cover up the main issue of flood control, which is billion of pesos was corrupted. Yan ang totoo sa ating bayan ngayon. They try to shield by floating other issues. For example, impeachment. They file an impeachment now again against BP Sara. I think this is politically motivated.